David Pkosing, uria ni Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mbunge igii ukuui, augite thirikari ni ibati gwetha kihonia gia gutura niguo kunina mathina maria magumiire ruhonge rwa ferry.
Karibuni sana.
Pkosing, uria kwaragia ari wabici-ini nene cia ruhonge rwa ferry kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, athiete na mbere kuga mubango uria thirikari iri naguo ni gutigirira motungata ruhonge-ini ruru ni magacirithio na njira igwete.
There's another ferry which is supposed to come, which is MV Safari, which will come hopefully very soon, because we want to populate. We want to have new systems into the ferry. Remember, this is a long-term ideas, and whatever we used to have here is a cake. We need to change.
Oho, Pkosing ni areganite na miario yate mutaratara wa thirikari ni gukorwo kihotomia motungata maria ferry ikoretwo ikiheana na akauga matiri na mubango wa guthondeka toll station ta uria kurerikana.
Ferry service is not just a mere transport. It is a security service. It is people's lives. So I'm urging people, before they enter into this discussion of trying to punch holes into a security system, that is dangerous for our own country and our own people.
Pkosing ni eriire andu aria mahuthagira ferry ati no meguthie na mbere na kwamukira motungata hatari marihi mugaru na muhuhu uria ukoretwo kuo.
You will continue enjoying your services free, because maybe people think that the committee is coming to begin new things, or this government will begin new things. No, this is a government of the people, and it is the people to lead us. So
Riu Pkosing ni oritie aria makoretwo na mierio ya kuhotomia urugamiriri wa ferry iri ta njira ya gwetha ngumo ya kiuteti gutiga gwika uguo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.